Hey Diva, it's Nicole Twyman with Fyne Fabulous, and I am your guide for this 30-day meal prep challenge. And before we get started, actually we've already gotten started. We're already into day 3. I wanted to recap some of the things we've asked you to do thus far. If you have your journal, congratulations. It looks like from my records, mostly all of you have your journal. If you do not, please leave a comment on this post. But today we're just reviewing some of the preliminary things during orientation week to ensure that we are well on our way to properly meal prepping this upcoming weekend. So one, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will be posting many of our videos there. In fact, you found this video there. So please be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you get an email letting you know that a new video is up. So that's a great way to get notified that we have something new to offer you. Two, if you haven't already, join our Facebook support group. The title is there, Meal Prep and Wellness Vision 30-Day Challenge. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I do provide additional recipes and motivation for workouts via my Instagram. So please do follow me there. I plan on also adding some items to my Instagram story on how I create my meals. So please do, again, follow me there. And in terms of your address book, please add our email to it, info@fitfynefabulous.com. You'll get a daily reminder to stay abreast of what's going on in the challenge there. So be sure that you do that so that our communications don't go in the junk folder. Most of you have already downloaded the app. Congratulations on completing those tasks. I'm going to encourage you strongly to take the information that we sent this journal and either hole punch it or take each page and put it in a protective cover and add it to a binder. That would make it definitely easy for you to be able to also do the same with any additional recipes or additional just reference materials that you want to refer to in the future after this challenge. So create yourself a binder. This week is all about getting organized and just being selfish about your time and making sure that you are ready and prepared to live that fit, fine, and fabulous life, which is meal prep. We meal prep every weekend. So get that binder going. Also, oftentimes I'm asked what tools or products, materials that I'm using. It's on my Amazon influencer page, Fyne Fabulous's page. So please take a look there. The meal prep containers I use, the marker I use to update my containers, all of that stuff is out there on the influencer page. And some things that are not available on Amazon, I am creating an additional page for that. So be on the lookout for that in the resources section of the app. So, and you guys, if you've already gotten your journal, please take a picture of the journal, post it in the group, use the hashtag, the Fit Fine Life 2020, the Fit Fine Fab Life 2020, and then also use your team names hashtag. I am excited about the partnerships that have been created. Lean on your partner, lean on a group, lean on me. We're all in this thing together. So to recap, ladies, we will be sharing challenge information through the app. The app has a resources section. In that section, everything you need to know and do will be added there. Once I update the app, we then send you a notification in the Facebook group, and we also send you a notification via email. So you won't be lost, you won't be confused, you're not behind. Just make sure that each day you either log into your Facebook group, you either check your email, or you either check your app. All of those places will have the same information so that those divas who rather check email will get what they need, rather check Facebook will get what they need, or would rather just rock in the app. They don't even have to access Facebook. They will get what they need. So hopefully this video kind of clears up where we are right now, and there will be more to come. Let's get started, ladies.